Alright, welcome to my first video using Camtasia. I am going to make just a quick little video about my Minecraft server, MinecraftOmega.com, and show the admin side of the house from what I do. And this is just me playing around with Camtasia, trying to successfully upload a HD screen capture training video for some future stuff I'm doing. So anyway, get right into it. We'll make it really fast. I host a server, MinecraftOmega.com. It's actually MinecraftOmega.com. The website portion is really simplistic. I don't like this graphic because it artifacts a little bit because it's a JPEG, not a GIF. But I'll fix the code on the site eventually. This actually should be gone. I'll get that to go away in a second. Well, that was a couple days ago. PHP BB forms, pretty simple stuff. I'm actually going to do Joomla and actually do a full site here eventually. The admin side, this is what you guys never see me in game. This is my, let me bring it over here. Okay, this is my in game. This is what I look at. This is the actual server itself. This is a Ubuntu 12.04 server. It's a Linux operating system. I like it. This is actually a tight VNC interface I did put a GUI on it, bad, ooh, it's a server, why do you have a GUI? While I was running Visual, let's see, pull up another workspace, Visual GC at one point is the peer inside Java memory while it's running an application. So I got two servers running right now. And the Omega Classic server, and then also the Bungee Cord application, which is also Java. This lets you actually go in here and look at the memory and how it's used over time. I was using this for a while when I was getting a bunch of memory issues, lag issues. You can go in. I might do a video on how to use this eventually, but it shows me exactly what's lagging inside of Java, which is what Minecraft is. So this is what I typically see. This workspace. These are the workspaces up here. Different desktops. Before I needed to use a GUI for this tool, I just did command line, and I'll show you that in a second. But this is cool. This is a little better way of organizing. I got so many different screens going right now. I've got Minecraft Omega Classic, which is the original server. Now it's called Classics. We're doing the quote-unquote 2.0 thing. I can actually see you guys. A training video capture test. Video. This is the classic server when you're in the game. This is Omega Classic. This is Enderverse. I watch this screen. Enderlord controls this, not from this screen. He'll actually putty into it. But let's see. Yeah, I can watch it. I can also get off of the screen if he takes it on and actually look at it this way. Actually reading the server.log file while it's being written to the disk. If there's any activity going on here. Anyway, I guess no one's on there right now. This is actually, so he can be on the console and I'm watching what's going on, kind of like up here. This is just the console because no one else gets on. Well, Ender does sometimes, but mainly this is me. Okay, I got a workspace here. This is Bungee, which is what lets us have two separate, actual Minecraft servers linked together. It's just a bunch of connections and transferring over to the other server, blah, blah, blah. This is a top customized, watching each CPU and all the processes right now. Main things on here are 3 processes. This is a TeamSpeak server on here too. This is another status or statistics on the actual server resources. Not Minecraft specifically, but everything on this server. Memory, processors, paging, which you don't ever want paging, so that needs to always be 0. Disk read write. You notice how we're never reading from the disk because this is the memory cache. Everything that comes off of the disk is actually cached in the memory right here. This is what's actually being used by all the different Javas, all the different servers and all that. And this right here, and actually I have some free space on the server. And this is my network in and out for the actual server. So you'll see disk writes because changes that happen
get written to disk, but nothing ever gets read from disk once it's loaded once, because it's all memory cache. That's what makes us. It's the equivalent of RAM disk, really, with the safety of that it's still written to disk. So that's pretty cool. Linux does that by default, but I've got some other tweaks in there to make it run a little bit better and preload and stuff and all that. I got another workspace with Skype. I keep Skype running on the server. I know some people might go, "Ooh, that's bad. You know, Skype takes memory." Well, if you come back over here, and you look at Skype uses. This is my memory column. Wait, yeah, this is memory. No, this is CPU. This is memory. That's right. For some reason, I lost my little thing here that shows you which one's which. Skype uses 0.8% of the memory, so I don't really. It doesn't matter. I leave it here. That way, I have one little single interface that has everything on it. Some of my different chats. This is some of this. Most people who might look at this won't notice some of these. You know, guide, chat, player chat, arbor chat, admin chat. I've got some personal chats going on. This is request for change. This is stuff that the admins, after they mold it over, can kind of go, "Hey, do this," and I reply. All right, now let's see. They're wanting me to do some stuff. This is kind of how I track what I do for the staff. And TeamSpeak server. Well, this is the client, TeamSpeak client running on the server, so I'm the server on this client. The actual TeamSpeak server runs. I don't have it pulled up here because you don't have to watch it. Once it runs, and it's so automatic. I don't even need a status little console for that. More workspaces if I need them. And so this is basically what I'm always doing. I'm never in the game. This is my quote-unquote game. So just because you don't see me in the game doesn't mean I'm constantly watching this, like constantly. Playing with tweaks. I'll go over here, get the little files. Yes, I am logged in as root. Ooh, that's bad. You know what? I'm safe. File system of the server. This is the actual server lives. Bungie, Enderverse, Micro Classic, and some other stuff I've done like Feed the Beast. I took the lobby out. Lobby kind of sucked. Took Baseball's plugin development realm out because he wasn't doing anything with it. Pull up other command. This is the old dirty command line, but this is Terminator, so it looks a lot cleaner. Let's see. Some more workspaces if I need it. Okay, so that's what I'm typically doing, and then I also have. This is how I used to get to the server. See, I haven't even used it. I just rebuilt this computer too, so all that stuff's saved on here. Save. Yeah, see, I didn't connect it like this first time I used the other thing. Oh, you know what? I haven't whitelisted my new IP address yet, so it's not going to even let me connect. Don't think. Anyway, that's just the old school interface for that. I've also got. This is what the actual server is running on. This is vSphere. It's an operating system, kind of like you put Windows on your computer. I'll put ESX on the server that I lease, and then I put the Linux server inside of a virtual machine, so I can basically have one set of huge, and our hardware's crazy. It's a Xeon E3-1230 version 2, 3.3 gigahertz, a core, 32 gigs of RAM. Why can't I connect to that? That's right, I have to whitelist it. I have a lot of security, so people can't randomly connect. But anyway, I was going to show you how that looks. I should log in. It's kind of embarrassing. So it's the demo gods getting me. Oh, there it goes. I've got this. This is the actual server, and of course I can see the same thing that I saw before through the VMware console. It's the same thing I was just showing you guys, but this is the direct. This is like I'm sitting in front of the server. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Another server I pulled up for that Joomla test, that www.test.com or www.test Minecraft Omega.com.
I gave this out to someone to play with it. And I don't know who did this. They're playing with it. Eventually, we'll have the actual site, and I'll move it over to be hosted here like the other one. And I can pop all this different, as many different services I want. Instead of having like this being just what's on the hardware, like it's abstract. It's really cool stuff. Shows you all the different resources, performance. We've got the biggest thing on virtualizing servers is don't run out of click the host, not the virtual machine. Memory usage. We've got 32 gigs of RAM now, and can use, as you can see over here, we're not using. Where is it? We've got 5 gigs free. That's not even being used. So I'm not giving this anymore until it needs it. I'm just going to use it for other things I'm going to do. Just doubled this, so yeah, we got plenty of power to play with. We just need to get this to grow. We need more players on here. Why do we only have 8 players? That's why I keep getting on the admins like, hey, look, let's do whatever we need to do to get more people playing here, because this is a waste. We've got all this. We could own the world here if we wanted to. Plus, I've been doing so many tweaks that we'll use the resources a lot more efficiently than we did when I first started hosting. And I'm, coming out of a bachelor of computer science and 10 years of IT experience, and it still took me, years to tweak this thing out perfectly because it's so specific to this actual environment here. I FileZilla into it also if I want to transfer stuff from my desktop. And like I said, I also use this. Can use this sometimes to connect in. I connect in from my phone, and anyway, that's how I have this set up. This is what I look at. This is my game. I mean, I do have the actual game. I've been playing around with these loaders, Magic Loader, launcher, and I had Feed the Beast and Tekkit, stuff like that. I was playing with some launchers. I've actually got. Let's go ahead and just say hi. And log in. This actually probably won't capture the end game. You might get a blank screen here. Ooh, I'm getting 12 minutes. This is supposed to be a short test. Anyway, this might not capture the actual game. Of course, if Camtasia can't capture it, I'll just use Fraps for any in-game stuff down the road. You might just see a blank screen here. I'll see a blank screen because it's still loading. Why is it taking so long to load? It's probably because I'm doing the screen capture at the same time. Multiplayer. You can see this. I've actually installed it. 256 HD texture pack, Magic Loader, Optifine. Nothing really crazy because I don't log in a lot. And I've got an older gaming system. I don't have my cards SLI together yet because I lost my SLI connector, so I have that on order. Anyway, what is that? They were telling me I'm getting the same. Okay, that's exactly what he said he was getting in the game. Is that something with our server? What is that? 261 is not greater to. Oh, yeah, it is greater than 256, and it's late. What is that? Oh, that might be an issue. What the heck? I'm getting the same error message using Magic Launcher and 256 HD pack and Optifine. Try switching classic vanilla client. Anyway, I won't record all this. We'll troubleshoot this, fix this. Hope it's not something with the server. Anyway, gotta go. Hopefully that worked. Okay, bye.